Creativity targets me all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Which is the good? A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. Private bed type, amenities, facilities, activities, etc. Category 2. Room category 3. Room category 4. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So, you can see on the screen, the guest is required to get a photo ID and check-in. Location of the hotel is outstanding and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Utilities of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Reviews and offers are available online for this hotel along with various meals and scientific policy. If you are planning to book it, you can book the hotel link provided in the description. Booking or more details below the link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can help us by the link. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you subscribe our channel and press